Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen. I am the mathematics mentor, and today let us study about area of similar triangles. Suppose let us consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Let us consider they are the similar triangles. I mean, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. When can we say that two triangles are said to be similar? The first point is corresponding angles are equal. The first criteria is corresponding angles are equal, and the second criteria is corresponding sides are in same proportion. Corresponding sides are in same proportion. So this is the criteria for similarity of two triangles. Actually, our concept is area of similar triangles. Area of similar triangles. What is the area of similar triangle? I mean, the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to squares of the corresponding sides. I mean, ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Let me explain. Ratio of area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. I mean, what is the corresponding side of AB? Corresponding side of AB is DE. I mean square. Square in the sense AB by DE whole square. Got it my point? Squares of the ratios of their corresponding sides. Right? Now what is the corresponding side of BC? Corresponding side of BC is EF. I mean BC by EF whole square is equal to, now what is the corresponding side of AC? Actually the corresponding side of AC is DF. I can write as AC by DF whole square. So this is called area of similar triangle theorem. I mean the ratio of, I can write as the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides, right? That is the theorem. I mean ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to squares of the ratio of their corresponding sides. For example, consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Given, let us solve one question. Given area of triangle ABC is equal to, for example, 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 centimeter square, and given side EF equal to 15.4 centimeter, EF equal to 15.4 centimeter, then find corresponding side BC. What is the question, children? Let us see. What is given? Area of triangle ABC is given 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DEF is given 121 centimeter square, and also corresponding EF side is given 15.4 centimeter. They are asking to find what is the side BC, right? And also we know that area 64 centimeter square, and area of triangle DF is given 121 centimeter square is equal to, and actually they have given EF and they are asking to find BC. So I can write as BC by EF whole square, right? Yes. Listen here students, 64 by 121 I can write as 8 by 11 whole square. Actually 8 square value 64 and 11 square value 121 is equal to, we need to find the value of BC. The value of EF is given 15.4 centimeter whole square. I can cancel square and square. Yes, we got now 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. So cross multiplication, 11 into BC equal to 15.4 into 8. So 11 into BC, 11 is multiplying here. Let me transpose. So it will become 15.4 into 8 by 11. 11 table, 11 1 11, 4 4, 11 4 44. So BC equal to 1.4 into 8. So BC equal to 8 4 32, 8 1 8 plus 3, 11. So what is the corresponding side of BC? BC is 11.2 centimeter. Got it? How they will ask questions like this, right? Well, let us see one more question. For example, area of triangle DEF is given. For example, area of triangle DEF is given 54 centimeter square. And what is the area of triangle ABC? What is the area of triangle ABC? Find the area of triangle ABC. Given area of triangle DEF equal to 54 centimeter square, and EF is given, for example, 4 centimeter. EF is given 4 centimeter, and also EF is given 4 centimeter. BC equal to, for example, BC equal to 4 centimeter. What is given, children? Given BC equal to 4 centimeter and EF equal to, BC equal to, for example, consider as 3 centimeter and EF equal to, consider as 4 centimeter. Let us see the question. What is given? Given BC equal to 3 centimeter, EF equal to 4 centimeter, and area of triangle EF is 54 centimeters square. Let us find the area of triangle ABC. Clear question? What is given? BC is given 3 centimeter, EF is given 4 centimeter, and area of triangle DEF is given 54 centimeter square. Let us find the area of triangle ABC. We know that, children, we don't know area of triangle ABC. That we have to find by what is area of triangle DEF, which is equal to 54, equal to what is the corresponding side of BC? BC is 3 and EF is 4. 3 by 4 whole square. Right? So area of triangle ABC by 54 equal to, as 3 square value 9 and 4 square value 16. Let us cross multiplication. Area of triangle ABC equal to 9 by 16. Here it is dividing. If you transpose, it will multiply. Right? So 2 8 is 16, 2 27 jar. 9 into 27, 9 7 is 63, 9 2 is 18 plus 6, 24, 243 by 8. So let us divide 243 divided by 8. 8 3 is 24, 0, 3. Again 8 3 is 24, 6, 0, 8 7 is 56, 4, 0, 8 5 is 40. So which is equal to 3.375 square centimeters. So what is the area of triangle ABC? That is 3.375 square centimeter. Got it? How to find? If it is given area of triangle DEF and they are asking to find what is the area of triangle ABC. In this way we can find area of two similar triangles. So the theorem is area of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of their corresponding side. That is the area of similar triangles theorem. Okay children, thank you.